Al-adadu wal-ma'dudu. Al-adad means the number, and al-ma'dud is the thing that you're counting. So in Arabic, we have different rules for different numbers. So we're going to look at them. First, we have 1 to 2. 1 and 2. So if you're counting something that is 1 or 2, then the rule is that the ma'dud, so the numbers, they agree with the ma'dud. Ma'dud means the thing that you're counting, and follow the ma'dud as adjectives. As examples, we have kitabun wahidun, one book. So here the thing that you're counting is kitab. The ma'dud is the kitab. So the number is wahid here. It follows the kitab as an adjective. What it means by as an adjective means it will have the same gender, number, grammatical endings, and whether it will have alif lam or not. So these all things are the rules by which an adjective is governed in Arabic. These 4 things must be the same as the noun that it is describing. So kitab is male, wahid is male, singular, and the likes. Likewise, we have sayyaratun wahidatun. This is female, so this is also female. Sayyaratun wahidatun. So they agree in the same gender. Now here kitabani ithnani, 2 books. This is dual and this is dual. Sayyaratani ithnatani, 2 cars. These both are females. So this is female, this is female. So that's the thing with 1 to 2. The numbers, they agree with the ma'dud like an adjective. Now we have 3 to 10. After 1 to 2, we have 3 to 10. Now here they will be in the opposite gender of the ma'dud. So whatever the gender ma'dud is in, the adad, the number will be the opposite gender. So the ma'dud is male, the number will be female. The ma'dud is female, then the number is male, and likewise. So for example, thalathatu rijalin, 3 men. If I want to say 3 men, men obviously is male, so the number will be female. If I want to say 3 women, women is female, so the number will be male. Likewise, so thalathatu rijalin, arba'atu rijalin, khamsatu rijalin, sittatu rijalin, till asharatu rijalin. Likewise, thalathu nisa'in, arba'u nisa'in, khamsu nisa'in, till asharu nisa'in, wahakada, likewise. So they are the opposite gender to the ma'dud. Now the rule over here is that the ma'dud will be ending with a kasra. Look at this ma'dud, rijalin, nisa'in, rijal, like that. So it will end with a kasra because it is a mudaf ilayhi construction. So here it will this is like an adjective, so it will end in the same vowel as the noun. If this was kitaban, this will be wahidan. If this is kitabin, then it is wahidin, likewise. Then we have 11 and 12. Now when it comes to 11 and 12, there are 2 parts to it. So as an example, if you're saying 11 students, ahada ashara taliban. The ahada is the first part, ashara is the second part, and talib is the ma'dud. In this case, 11 and 12, both the parts, they agree with the ma'dud. Which means if the ma'dud is male, both of this will be male. If it's female, both of this will be female. And the ma'dud will end with a fatha. So all of them are fatha actually. Here taliban, see everything is taliban, talibatan, like that. So 11 male students when we say ahada ashara taliban, all are male. When you say 11 female students, ihda asharata talibatan, all are female. Ihda is the female version of ahada. Now when you say 12 students, ithna ashara taliban, that's 12 male students, 12 male students, ithna ashara taliban, all are male. Ithnata asharata talibatan, 12 female students, all are female. So 11 and 12 is very simple. They follow, everything is follow the same gender. Then we have here after that 13 to 19. 13 to 19. Here the second part, we talked about the first and the second part. The second part agree with the ma'dud, and the first part does not. The second part agree with the ma'dud, and the first part does not. So here, look here, the first part, second part. So what is the ma'dud? The second part will agree with that. First part will be opposite. and the ending will be with fatha. So ثلاثة عشر طالبا. ثلاثة عشرة طالبة. Here it's male, so this will agree with it, and this will be opposite. Likewise, this is female, so the second part will be the female as well, and the first part will be opposite of it. Then we have numbers from 20 to 90, 100, and 1000. For all of this, the numbers do not change with the ma'dud. The numbers like 20 and 30, 40. Okay, by the way, when they say 20 to 90, sorry, there's something we need to clarify here. They're talking about 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, in this one. So in this case, the number will be the same. Like for example here, 20 طالبا, 20 طالبة. Like the number is not going to change. Then when it comes to 100, we say مئة طالب, مئة طالبة. It says the same. And 1000 will be ألف طالب, ألف طالبة. Now here says the ma'adul end with the kasra. That is for actually mi'a and alf. As for 20 to 90, it's going to be fatha. Now this is for 200 and 2000. What happens is that we will remove the noon. Like for example, when you want to say 200, it is mi'atani, mi'atani. So when you join it with the ma'dud, then you remove the noon. Mi'ata riyalin. You don't say mi'atani riyalin. No, that's wrong. Remove the noon and say mi'ata riyalin. Likewise, when you want to say 2000 riyals, we say alfa riyalin by removing the noon. Originally it was alfani riyal, but in the construction we remove the noon and say alfa riyalin.